Hello again. This is just going to be a very quick video here about AdBlock, which is a browser extension that I use in order to remove advertisements when I'm watching YouTube videos. And whenever I use YouTube on my personal computer, AdBlock is installed on my personal computer. So I can watch any YouTube channel, any video, and I never have to see commercials. I know it's not an issue on my channel because my channel is not monetized. My channel will never have advertisements on it anyway, so it doesn't impact the viewing experience when you're watching my channel. However, anywhere else that you go on YouTube, when you're watching the more popular channels, you know as well as I do that you can't watch even a 10-minute video on YouTube without advertisements coming up. Usually every 2 minutes or 3 minutes, advertisements are running, and you get the ad break, and then maybe you can skip it 5 seconds in, or sometimes you have to watch the whole commercial. But it's a nuisance. It breaks your concentration, takes you away from what you're doing. I believe it's one of the reasons why this youngest generation has ADHD or attention deficit disorder, is they just can't stick to anything for any length of time because they're constantly being interrupted. And even when you're watching YouTube videos, which are maybe 10 minutes long at the most, which is nothing. I come from a generation where I watch hour-long shows or 2-hour movies, and I expect to be able to watch something without interruption. So for me, 10 minutes is nothing. If I'm watching a 10-minute YouTube video, I expect to be able to get through the whole 10 minutes with no advertising. And if you install AdBlock, that's exactly the way it will be. Your YouTube experience will be enjoyable. It will be what it should be if you install AdBlock. And like I said, I don't get paid by AdBlock. I get nothing out of this. The program doesn't cost any money whatsoever. It's a free browser extension. You install it and it works. It's simple and it works, and you don't ever have to see ads again. And if you're like me, you know what kind of ads that you see on YouTube. It's all left-wing propaganda. It's a whole bunch of extreme, far-left extremist advertising that is pushing all kinds of agendas that me personally, I don't agree with. So it makes me even more furious when I have to watch those advertisements. And that's why I don't do it anymore. So I installed AdBlock, and I don't watch any of YouTube's propaganda commercials when I'm on YouTube and I'm watching movies or videos or whatever. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to plug this product because I want you to have the best viewing experience possible. And even if it doesn't make a difference on my channel specifically, it will make a great difference to your YouTube experience overall when you're watching on other channels. You'll really appreciate that you have it. It's free and it works. Simple as that. So download, install it today, give it a try, and I assure you won't regret it. So check it out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.